I am never satisfied. I always push my limits and I always try to get better every day. It's an honor to be recognized like that, the best player. But Braca is not just Messi. Braca has very good players. Born on the 24th of June 1987, Lionel Andres Messi Cucutuni is a world-renowned professional football player who plays for Barcelona FC and is also the captain of Argentine national team. Messi is often touted to be one of the best football players playing today, and many even argue that he may be the one of the greatest the sport has ever seen. Messi has consistently broken a number of football records and hold 2 World Cup, 2 UEFA Super Cups, 3 Champions League Cups, 6 La Liga Cups, and is also the leading goal scorer of all time in both the La Liga and the Champions League. To be honest, I never realized it. I never really thought I was going to be really good or not. I just wanted to make my dream come true. Messi was not born in a well-off family. His father was a worker in a steel factory and his mother worked part-time as a cleaner. Messi had been fascinated by the sport at a very early age and joined his first club at the age of 5. Unfortunately, at the age of 11, Messi was diagnosed of having a deficiency of growth hormones, and his treatment to overcome the situation would require about $900 a month. While many local clubs and teams had shown a little of interest in Messi, nobody was willing to shell out the expenses of his treatment. However, the young boy had already managed to raise a number of eyebrows with his impeccable skills and his immense talent with the ball. As such, his strength and determination show through on the field, and he was noticed by the sporting director of Barcelona FC, who offered him a contract on a paper napkin to join the club. He also assured him that if he moves to Spain in order to pursue a football career, the club would pay for all his medical expenses. Messi accepted the contract and moved on to Spain. Ever since the incident, Messi had never looked back and has gone on to make a big name for himself internationally and has garnered a lot of love from football fans all over the world. Even after becoming one of the biggest stars in the sport, Messi has not forgotten the difficult times he has faced in his past. Consequently, in 2007, he established the Leo Messi Foundation, which is dedicated to provide healthcare and also education to poor and vulnerable children. Messi is surely a very professional figure who has made it big on the basic of his determination and skills and has combated a difficult past to come out on the top. Well, yes, my family and my friends would tell me that I was better than the other kids. But I wasn't playing football then just to be the best. I just wanted to have fun.